After you have successfully downloaded the TS3 visualizer, you can find a visualizer operation manual in the folder right here. Also in this folder, you'll find a datasheet and a configuration documentation. To open the visualizer, you open this folder right here and double-click on TS3 Dev Visualizer X right here. A window will pop up asking you about your preferred screen resolution, graphics quality and the selected monitor. After you connected the TS3 to your PC, the drivers should be downloaded and installed by Windows automatically. In the visualizer, you click the Connect button under the sensor setting menu on the top left of the screen. The sensor will start to immediately provide you with point cloud data. You can adjust your preferences under the sensor settings and you can also choose between 4 different views. In the top left window, you can move around the virtual environment using the QWEASD keys, and by right-clicking and holding your mouse, you can look around you. You can find more detailed information in the manual. In our Arduino application, we mounted LEDs on the top of a TS3 sensor. They light up when they receive data from a specific direction. In our example, you can clearly see the light slowly shifting from left to right while the object moves past the sensor.